Sound Clash 2017. I watched Boss Lady. I enjoy ourselves. Miss Kimberly Lawson is here having a grand time. How are you doing tonight?
I'm great, thanks.
So obviously you guys have amped it up a little bit this year. What is different for the third stage?
I want to say that we enjoyed it. It was fun. We had to sit and think about fun things because we wanted to enhance it. It was a fun exercise because we wanted to think about great things that the people could enjoy. And so I would say that it was a fun process for us. Nothing too tedious. It nice, entertainment nice, boom nicer.
Run it, run it, run it.
You know, Jamaicans love bling, them like booze, them like bravo, them like show it too. So we're giving the winners, or the winner, something to hold for himself. The second place winner as well, we're giving him something to take home. And we have sectional prizes. We have best forward, best performance, best set, sickest dubs. I mean, we're just enhancing the experience for everybody who participates. $10+ million, that's nice.
No, that's a true champion. Any champion, just step up. I don't have no phone to carry. I don't have any phone. It's $1 million. It's it. So that's war feet. I mean, anybody with a champion that support the champion.
But Lexus, how are you on part tonight?
Money comes, money goes. We spend wholly more than $1 million in our career over equipment and dub and them something there. Really and truly, I just the legacy of the sound code.
No, you know, Code already have the creativity. We already have war so from over the years. So it's going to bring the creativity and the previous war knowledge to this. Everything that this year, man.
I want to take on some boy stripes. Afraid of what? Them afraid of we. And them know it too.
So Code Red, we'll be kicking off this clash. Boom sound clash, you know, a big sound artist people. We have, who are number one again? Venom! Code Red versus Venom. First week, next week, we'll hear one. Boom sound clash. Code Red versus Venom.
Me no come a war and worry about nobody. They want to worry about somebody for them business that.
You know, we always prepared, look at. We bust on the business of war sound, clash sound, so we always prepare for anything at any time.
So right now, maybe they worry about me, but me no worry about them. Let's just run out of that. I mean, one of them all long time phantoms to go there. So you know when I'm gonna go off, all the dust kill you.
Now cool up the thing. Shut up the thing. People say, that boy! That boy! Yo, let me introduce a song. Chuck me down! Them go on your chest. If I let you get on, so all your back. Yes, when they say madness, you have to get unruly. You hear me? We have it all. Unruly. Why? What may I do tonight? We don't kill them. What may I do tonight? What may I do tonight? What may I do tonight? What may I do? What's your channel life? What's your life all about that? If it's not that, it's not that. Bring say murder the boy! Let him be killed! Don't you give me the one I want now!
when them say, what? I say, yo, that's going to be fun. And you know, if I'm fun, a full 100, this is what I say. So I'm just going to get some children and just say, yo, you know what? Let us make it fun, because the harder we go, the more the people are going to like it. This is what I say. So.
Being the host of, the resident host of the Boom Clash, you see all the emotions and the swings from one DJ to the next. One DJ can just say one simple thing, and the crowd swings to my part. And play a song, bad song, let me use it to my advantage.
I want to boy, you don't stay a while ago now. Am I around that?
Professional about it. Did Mr. Lex win that round? Okay. Did Johnny win that round? Okay, Lenny.
Yo, shout out to the Boom team and shout out to Johnny Daly. Yo, that was fun. It's what I say, a murder.
And that is how we leave you. It's been a wonderful launch of the 2017 edition of the Boom Sound Clash. Follow me now. Bass Odyssey, Code Red, Rebel Tone, Rough Cut, Yardbeat, Venom, Twin Star, and Renaissance. Who's going to take away the $1 million? Who's going to take away all the trophies? Who are going to give away the best dub? Who are going to get the most forward? We don't know what's going to happen. Of course, you know you have to stay right here with us on YouTube. And of course, follow us on Instagram at Drink Boom Energy. It's your girl, Jade. Keep it locked. Boom Sound Clash 2017. Bigger and better.